So I understand. Let me hear the excuses. So your problem is you don't have enough money. You don't have $1,500? You can't save up for $1,500? Or, oh, okay, you don't have anybody to go with. Oh, that's right. You're just gonna wait for that person. You're gonna wait on your girlfriend. You're gonna wait on your partner. A lot of them probably can't even get passports anyway. Oh, that's right. I forgot about this one. It's a war going on way across the country somewhere, and you don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, that's a really good excuse. Yeah. Oh no, it was COVID. COVID's still lingering around a little. I don't want to chance it. What other excuse? Next year is gonna be another excuse. It's gonna be a different problem. Oh, the economy is bad. I forgot about that. Trump messed it up, or Putin, or Biden. Pick one. For the people that don't want to have any more excuses, this is for you. All right, the first thing you need to do is get your passport. I won't stay too long on this passport thing, but because all you have to do is just go to the internet, go to your local post office in the United States. If you're not in the United States, I don't know what to tell you because I've never lived in another country. But all you have to do is get your passport. I think it's around $140, $150. If you want to get it expedited, it's another $40 or $50 more. Don't quote me on that. I won't stay too long on passport. Just get your passport. If you want to go to another country like the Dominican Republic. It's pretty simple. You just have to take your time and fill out the paperwork, and they'll walk you through it at the post office once you set your appointment. So set your appointment, get your confirmation number online, and make sure you're on time at the post office. Right. Am I right? Yes? You don't even know what I see. All right, so you got your passport, and your passport is in your hand. Now it's time to get a plane ticket. We are going to go with Spirit because remember, we are on a budget.
You didn't tell me I was flying Spirit. I'm afraid. I don't like yellow. Yellow means caution. Oh my God. It's like everybody gonna be watching us in the air. It's like we're gonna be on a big school bus. You know them seats is tight. Oh my God. How can we afford $9 tickets is what I want to know. It's like a slow bus in the air. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You know what spirit means? Spirit is something that's no longer here.
If you don't want to fly Spirit, you can fly something different. So that's no problem. That's up to you. But remember, we are on a budget. So anyway, we are going to use Spirit. You don't need a lot of luggage in the Dominican Republic. All you have to do is just bring some underwear and shorts, and you can buy some stuff in the Dominican Republic. Yes, the Dominican Republic has malls and all of that other stuff like the United States has. So all you need is a personal, and that's all you really need. Get a backpack for your personal, load all your stuff in there. Women just don't be getting all those shoes and all that stuff. So I mean, you can buy that in the Dominican Republic if you wanted to, but you're just staying for 6 days, 5, 6, 7 days, so you don't need to get all that. So here is the price of the most affordable ticket that I saw, and it's always affordable tickets everywhere you go. You can fly Delta, you can fly wherever you want to, but for budget reasons and to try to stay under that $1,500, we're gonna go with Spirit. All right, guys, last but not least, we have to get a hotel. This was the easy part. I don't know what people were doing before Airbnb, so I just went to Airbnb and I typed up Santo Domingo, and we just found a nice hotel / apartment right next to the like main attractions. You got the Colonial Zone, and you can see the waterfront. You know, you got the waterfront, you can see the ocean, you can just see everything. You're in walking distance near everything. So we could have went a little bit less, we could have went a little cheaper, but hey, that's not bad. $50-something every single day. So the grand total was $364 for our Airbnb. That's not bad at all for 6 days. So now it's time to total everything up and see how much we have left over for the trip to buy souvenirs, whatever you want to buy, I'm excited to see what the total is, how much we have in our pocket for our vacation. Let's go. What, $400, $500, $600 left over? What do you think? How much left over? What is that? Something's wrong with this one. See or no?
Yeah, fritos.
I ain't say nothing about no frito. All right, so the grand total for our trip that we have left over for food and travel and all of that other good stuff. Oh, and don't forget, you can call Jennifer. Jennifer, everybody has nothing but good comments about Jennifer. I met her through Melvin. She is excellent. She's bilingual. She will help you out. She can take you from point A to point B, wherever you need to go. So you can give Jennifer a call, or you can just use Uber. It's up to you. So anyway, the grand total, drum roll, is $598. Man, that's $100 every single day, pretty much. And you will have a wonderful time in the Dominican Republic for that. So I just wanted to show you and just kind of break everything down to you and show that you can have $1,500 and make a nice trip for yourself to the Dominican Republic. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to...
Suscríbete, dale like, compartan.
Yeah, you got that?
Dale like.
Don't forget to... Where you come from?
Esta es una campanita, suscríbanse a la campanita.
Don't forget to...
Suscriban.
Oh
No,
my
no,
God.
así es. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan.
Yeah.
Suscríbanse con like y compartan. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan.
Muy bueno. Good. Adios. Bye-bye.
Adiós. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan. Dilo. Suscríbanse, den like y compartan.
Yeah, I was trying to tell somebody what to do.